Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening the right panel. Make sure your device has sufficient power and open settings, then search for foreground data. You do this so you can see the live list of apps currently using foreground data and avoid cutting essential services. Once the list appears, scan for apps you recognize versus background system services. Prioritize user apps first. Make sure to note any app tied to critical notifications before proceeding so you don't disrupt important alerts. Now you adjust permissions app by app. Select an app, open its data or network permissions, and toggle off foreground data or choose the Restrict Foreground Access option. You do this to reduce real-time network use without disabling the app entirely. Once you change one, observe any immediate behavior. If an app restarts or loses expected functionality, make a note to restore its permission. Continue through non-essential apps steadily, and make sure to double-check system apps last so you don't break core features. Finish by rebooting the device so all permission changes take effect system-wide. This clears lingering connections and enforces new rules. Then monitor your data usage over the next 24 to 48 hours to verify reduced foreground consumption and to confirm no essential service was impacted. If you see an app misbehaving, notifications missing or functions failing, restore its foreground data temporarily and test alternatives. A key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, clear the app cache and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.